गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स. दैट डे आई हैव टोल्ड यू about this. ठीक है, base react with metal carbonate. Base when react with metal carbonate, there will not be any reaction, as you see base is there and this is metal carbonate. Here also a base is there. You can take any of the metal carbonate. It's not essential that sodium carbonate should be taken. So what is happening? Actually both are acting as a base only, understood? So there will not be any displacement as both are acting as a base, understood? So there will not be any reaction, understood? Acid plus metal carbonate, what had happened? Acid plus metal carbonate, we had seen this is our acid and this is our metal carbonate. Okay, so what has happened? A type of double displacement is there. Na2SO4 formed and H2CO3 formed. Okay, exchange of ion is there. H2CO3 is further broken down into H2O and CO2. The same thing will happen if we will take here metal bicarbonate. Metal bicarbonate like NaHCO3. Okay, NaHCO3, you might be knowing, you have learnt about this formula. Let's see that. This is your metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate. Okay, acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate will form salt plus H2O plus CO2. How? We'll see. This is a acid. Okay, you can take HCl also. It's not essential that you have to take H2SO4 only. Then H2SO4 when react with NaHCO3, what will form? ये क्या है आपका? सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. What is this? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate also you call it. Okay, you have learned the formula. Okay, Na is +1 and HCO3 is a polyatomic radical which is having -1. Okay, so what it will form? क्या form करना चाहिए? NaSO4 नहीं होता, Na2SO4 is possible as sodium sulfate is having Na2SO4 formula. Na का +1, SO4 का -2, which will exchange crisscross its ion and Na2SO4 will be the formula. So your metal salt will be Na2SO4. Na2SO4 and what will form? H2CO3. H2CO3 will break down into H2O plus CO2. H2O plus CO2. Okay. Now you can take HCl also. HCl will form HCl plus NaHCO3. It forms what? NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, this is also a metal salt plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, you can take any metal carbonate, but this is the most convenient one, that's why we had taken this. Also easily available also. Okay, next we will see this bases plus metal carbonate. Bases plus metal carbonate. Okay, base plus metal hydrogen carbonate, it will not react as both are acting as a base, so there will not be any displacement. No displacement is possible. Okay, base भी metal carbonate के साथ there will not be any reaction. You can write like this: base plus metal bicarbonate no reaction, understood? As both are acting as base only. Okay, so now next reaction is our metal plus this metal reaction with metal oxide. Reaction with metal oxide. Reaction with metal oxide. Okay, so we had taken acid and a metal oxide. Acid and metal oxide will form salt plus H2O. Let's take the example. Acid is your H2SO4. H2SO4 HCl. HNO3 is not taken. I will tell you the reason afterwards. We are doing the reaction with H2SO4 and HCl most of the time. Okay, H2SO4 we had taken, and you can take any metal oxide. Here in the book itself it was given CuO, that's why I had taken CuO here. ठीक है, आप कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड भी ले सकते हो. तो H2SO4 के साथ रिएक्ट हुआ तो what will form? देखो here CuSO4 will form and H2O will liberate out. ठीक है, तो CuSO4 बना और H2O बाहर निकल गया. This is a metal salt and H2O. Okay, like this HCl plus calcium oxide we had taken. Okay, in the book it was there, that's why I have taken this. You can take any other example, like here I have taken calcium oxide. Okay, here also Cl नहीं बनेगा, CaCl2 will form and H2O will liberate. You need to balance the reaction, please balance it. Now I will not tell you how to balance. We have covered the balancing, you please do it. Okay, so ये क्या बन जाएगा, CaCl2 प्लस H2O. ये भी एक मेटल सॉल्ट है और H2O. ठीक है, इसके जगह आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, बट these are very easy reaction which can be understood very easily. ठीक है, बुक में ये ही रिएक्शन है. यू कैन टेक एनी अदर मेटल ऑक्साइड ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ हियर वी विल डू बेस प्लस नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड. बेस प्लस मेटल ऑक्साइड नहीं लेंगे, विल टेक नॉन मेटल ऑक्साइड. तो बेस वी कैन टेक दिस कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बेस, है ना. ठीक है, यहाँ पे NaOH भी ले लो, है ना, नो प्रॉब्लम इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग NaOH ऑल्सो. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बेस. ओके, NaOH if you are reacting with this, what will form? Na2CO3 बनेगा. क्या बनेगा? Na2CO3 as the salt is Na2CO3. फॉर्मूला क्या है? Na का +1, CO3 का -2. therefore Na2CO3 बनेगा और क्या निकलेगा? H2O as it is. if it require balance then please balance it. okay, ऐसे ही कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड CO2, दिस वॉज गिवन इन द बुक, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन दिस. ठीक है, फिर CO3 और H2O बना, Na2CO3 बना. ठीक है, MgOH होल ट्वाइस लेते तो क्या बनता है? MgCO3. ओके, +2 और इसका माइनस, इसका सॉरी इसका हो गया +2, इसका -2, दोनों क्रिस क्रॉस होके कैंसिल आउट हो गए. इट विल फॉर्म MgCO3 प्लस H2O. okay, so these are the properties, chemical properties of acids and bases. okay, our next topic is pH.